Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna open up the FabFitFun 12 Days of Christmas box. All right, so we've got like, all of these are numbered 1 through 12, and I'm gonna do them all at the same time because I don't have patience to wait a day for one thing and then a day for another. So let's do number 1 first. All right, this is a wine tumbler. Let's see here. I mean, it's cute. This is a good gift idea for somebody who really likes wine. Like, I drink once in a while. I don't keep alcohol in the house, really. Not a daily thing for me, but I think I might know somebody who might like this. So I might re-gift. You know, it'll keep your wine cool or at room temperature, if you will, because it has some thermo action. This is good because like I could possibly have gifts for all kinds of people in my life. I won't have to go shopping. All right, number 2, which looks like it wants to be opened. Oh, okay. Yeah, you know what? I can never have enough of these. Travel packaging. I could put all the stuff that I use in these bottles and feel like I'm still getting my little spa day every morning and every night. Mia Mika is the brand, if you wanted to know that. Yeah. Clear for takeoff. All right, 3. This looks big. Oh. Oh, I know who I'm giving these to. Oh, goodness gracious. These are fuzzy socks. Frenchies attached. Oh my gosh. I know who are getting these. I feel like I got this to give other people things. Which is fine. I'm in the spirit of giving. Let's see here. 4. The satin pillowcase. There's only one. So I use silk pillowcases because it's good for your hair and your skin, and it's also antimicrobial. So it's good if you have like any kind of acne issues because it's like self-cleaning, if you will. Silk, not satin. I think this might be satin though. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this does the same thing. Wow. Does all those things that I just mentioned. It says it on the back, but there's only one. I might give it to someone because it says standard pillow and I have king size pillows, so I don't think it's gonna fit anyway. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, these are all nice things, really are. Let's see. Just don't have I don't have the need for everything. Oh. What is this? What is this? Nudies Luxe Nude Sticks. Oh, is this like, ew, this is like, I look like I've been skiing, which I will never do because I hate the snow with a passion. This is cute. It's a pretty color. Rosy posy. All right, I'm keeping that one too. All right, where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's almost like Christmas. There's nothing in here. No, there is. There's something in here. Glossier Super Pure Niacinamide. Ooh, really good. Honestly, because I'm almost done with my niacinamide, so I'm kind of happy that I got a new one. Pure niacinamide. Fun. I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to like have it expire before I start using it, but I am almost done with the other one, so that's perfect. Perfect. Niacinamide is really good to prevent wrinkles and acne. 7. Big Bang. What is this? Big Bang. I need my magnifying glass. It says Ather Beauty, like A-T-H-R. The Big Bang. Mascara. Oh, well, that makes total sense. Big Bang. So I am wearing mascara already, and I just opened it like about a week ago, so it's brand new. So I don't want to open this one, but A-T-H-R Beauty Big Bang Mascara. I am assuming that this is gonna be great, and I like that it's full size. Like this one's full size as well. I like it a lot. That's for a later date. Now we did 6, we did 7, 8. Number 8, it's a big one. Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. I didn't know that they weren't biodegradable. Maybe I have to look into that because that's important. I want to make sure you're not screwing up the planet more than it is. Illuminates, exfoliates, and strengthens. Ta-da! Definitely adding that to my pile here. Number 9. What is this? What is this? No idea. I mean, obviously, it's a lipstick and a lip gloss, but I need more detail. Creamy lip tint and lip oil duo. Cruelty-free and vegan. That is really surprising because I know that a lot of companies don't want to sell their product in China because China requires products to be tested on animals. So it's interesting that they say it's cruelty-free and vegan. All right, close. We're getting close to the end here. Ah, open up. Velvet Luxe. Don't know what it is. It looks like self-tanner, doesn't it? Vegan body and hand cream with virgin olive and avocado oil. Ooh, tangerine glow. Sounds good. Thingy on it. Take off this thingy. Smells like public bathroom after they've been cleaning it for a while. Except for the bleach part. The bleach isn't in there. But it's like refreshing, you know? I think you can use it in the summertime. 11. I'm killing the box here. I'm killing it. All right, what do we have here? Perfect Repair, treatment mask, color safe. Bamboo stem cell technology. A bamboo and keratin fortified deep conditioning treatment for smoother, stronger hair. Smoother, stronger hair. I don't mind if I do. Actually, you know what? I had a hair mask that I recently just finished. So this is perfect timing. It smells refreshing, like very fresh and clean and airy and light. And maybe there's some kind of cucumber scent to it, which I don't mind. Last one, 12. Any guesses? Oh. Sponge gel. I love sponge gel. I love these things. I swear by them. Best exfoliator for your body. And it smells so good. And I've never had any kind of allergic reaction to any of the scents. This one is Peony Blush. You know, there's some things that I know that I'm gonna give to other people, but most of the stuff I kept, you know? Definitely use these. So this was definitely worth it. So I wonder how I'm gonna like deconstruct this box so that I can put it in recycling. Well, I'll figure that out on a later date. Did I open this one? Yeah, I did. That went by really fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you know when my next video comes up, and I will see you the next time. Bye.